The cell cycle is a process that looks at the life of a cell and how it can grow and duplicate its DNA to help make new cells. New cells are needed when cells get damaged or they get too old. The first phase of the cell cycle is called interphase. This is when the cell grows and the DNA is copied. This is important because when we make new cells, we want to make sure that the DNA is identical in each cell. So the DNA might go from one strand to two strands and takes on this X shape. In the process of mitosis, which is the next phase in the cell cycle, the DNA looks to be split. Mitosis can be split into 4 different phases, the first being prophase. In prophase, the spindle fibers get attached to each side of the DNA, which is known as a chromosome, when it takes on this X shape. Each chromosome has a spindle fiber attached onto it. In metaphase, the chromosomes line up along the middle of the cell and are looked to be kind of split in the next phase, which is known as anaphase. Each copy of the DNA is going to separate sides of the cell. These spindle fibers shorten and pull in the DNA to each side of the cell. In the last phase of mitosis, which is telophase, a nucleus is reformed to have identical copies of the DNA in each cell. In the final phase of the cell cycle, which is known as cytokinesis, there is a splitting of the cell into 2 separate cells, now each with the same identical DNA.